Well, let's see what we got going on out here. Oh, look at that. Backyard's got a few squirrels. Look at these little squirtlets. Wow, there's bunches of squirrels. My goodness. What's up, little squirtlets? Oh boy, here they come. Oh no, it's the attack of the squirrels. Oh boy, here they come. Here they comes the squirtlets. Hi, Gilmore. Here, Gilmore. Here you go, Gilmore. Fine. Here you go, Tony. Here, Tony. Gilmore. There you go, Gilmore. And there's Olive. Hi, Olive. Yep. Oh, there's Stubby. Oh, don't tell nobody, but Stubby's my favorite little cute squirrel. Hi, Stubby. There you go, buddy. And here comes the unibrow. Hi, buddy. There's the unibrow. Get that. Uh-oh. Benny! Come here. What are you doing picking on that baby squirrel? Get your butt over here. Come on, Benny. Come on, Benny. Come here. Silly. Leave that little squirrel alone, buddy. Okay? You're way bigger than him. Tucker. Come here. Come here. Come here, Tucker. Come on, Tucker. Tuck that tail in, buddy. Here you go. There you go, buddy. There you go, Tucker. Oh, is that Mama coming down the tree? Is that Mama? Is that the Mama squirrel? Sure is. Hey, Mama. Tony, you're a little piglet. Did you already eat all of that? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Mama. Mama. Hi, Mama. Here comes Mom. Oh no, that's not Mama, that's Olive. Olive, how'd you get up that tree?